to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 30, 2024. 5-star Sudoku. Column E and first row we get pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column D we get 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Third row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then second grade. Only one number remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then first row, two numbers are remaining 3 and 8. Column I we have 8. So it can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D, two numbers are remaining 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Fifth row we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Sixth row we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then fifth grade. Only one number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then fifth row, two numbers are remaining 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, two numbers are remaining 3 and 7. Eighth row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then in 8th grade, column F, three numbers are remaining 1, 5, 9. Ninth row we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. The ninth row, two numbers are remaining 4 and 7. Column A we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Eighth row we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column H we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. The ninth grade, two numbers are remaining 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I, three numbers are remaining 1, 7, 4. Sixth grade, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, only one number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column H, fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column G, third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. First grade and seventh row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column B, fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Sixth row, column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 9, 8. Third row, we have 8. So it can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column H, two numbers are remaining 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Sixth row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 8. So it can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then fourth grade, two numbers are remaining 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. And sixth grade, two numbers are remaining 6 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column C, column A, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. then 1 is here. Second row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. And second row, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column A on first grade we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column A we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Sixth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then fourth row only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Then sixth grade only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column I we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column H only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Third grade, column G only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Third row on first grade only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column C we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Seventh grade, on seventh row, three numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 9. Column C we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column B we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Seventh grade, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Eighth grade, and column F only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.